सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा।
Button mushroom, oyster mushroom, plants tissue culture, hydroponics, soilless cultivation, cauliflower cultivation, strawberry cultivation, college achievements, TV 100 Education Excel Award for the Best Training Institute. Sai Institute of Paramedical Allied Sciences has registered with Physiotherapist Association of Uttarakhand. A well-known Bollywood celebrity, Mrs. Neha Dhupia, visited as a guest to our institution. Minister of Transport in Government of Uttarakhand, Mr. Yashpal Arya, visited as a guest in our college. HRD Minister and ex-Chief Minister Mr. Nishank invited for a book release. Democratic Wire YouTube channel magazine and news portal. Glance News YouTube channel. Pehchan Production. A DG Mr. Ashok Kumar as a chief guest on the final day of Sports Day. Pradeep Sangwan, IPL player, visited as a chief guest for the farewell nursing department. Educational visits, workshops and seminars. Workshop on ETP for students. Visit to Himalaya Drug Limited. Training at Agriculture Farm. Workshop at Himalayan Institute. Visit to Achal Dairy. Self-defense training in police line. Water treatment plant. Workshop on disaster management in SGRR ITS. Hospital visits, Doon Hospital, Synergy Hospital, Max Healthcare, Indian Spinal Injury Center. Seminar organized by AIM LTA Chandigarh. Visited to the printing press Rashtriya Sahara. Visit to Akashwani Najiabad. Visit to Wildlife Institute. Seminar on cyber security. Extracurricular activities. Physical activities is also important as mental activities. So at every year in our institution, we have organized sports meet in which there are several sports according to the interest of the students. World TB celebration in Sai Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. World Health Day celebration in Sai Group of Institutions. Sai Group of Institutions celebrated World Yoga Day. Autism Awareness Day celebration, Physiotherapy Day celebration, Himalayan Day celebration, Physiotherapy camp, debate competition, quiz competition, karate program. Poster competition. Talent Hunt program. Performing Arts, Teachers' Day Celebration, Children's Day Celebration, Welcoming the Freshers, Farewell Party. There are no goodbyes for those who stay in heart. You will always remain in our hearts. Saying goodbye doesn't mean the end. Celebration United, we stand. Personality Development Program. Extra classes for English language and spoken English will be run after the regular classes for all the students to enhance the communication skills of the students. Personality development programs will be undertaken frequently, wherein they will be introduced with the various methods to face the interview. Do's and don'ts. Concerning issues related to students will be taken care through the process as under: faculty, HOD, disciplinary committee, principal, chairman, VCP. Habitual late coming absentees from college, short attendance will not be tolerated. The student shall have to pay a fine against any act of indiscipline like habitual late coming, improper turnout, undesired conduct or behavior in the class, campus, which will be authenticated by HOD of the concerned department. The fine will be charged on fine book. Fine once imposed shall not be waived off under any circumstances. For any serious offences brought to the notice of disciplinary committee, the committee may impose a fine or initiate, recommend other punishment for such offence if the student is found guilty. In case a strict action has been recommended by disciplinary committee, the same will be enforced only after the approval of chairman, VCP, principal. Use of mobile phones in the college campus is restricted only to canteen premises during lunch break. Uniform. College uniform is compulsory for all the students. Each student shall attend the college in uniform. The uniform is compulsory for Independence Day and Republic Day functions. During exams, students shall come in proper uniform irrespective of the day. Students may wear house t-shirt on Wednesday and casuals on Saturday. Postal rules. There are 3 modes of payment: quarterly, half-yearly and annually. Outing is permitted on weekends and holidays. Timings: summer 10 am to 7 pm, winter 10 am to 6 pm. Visitors are not allowed. Night outs are not permitted without written consent from the parents with prior information to the hostel authority. Use of alcohol, drugs, any toxicant and smoking is strictly prohibited in the hostel as well as in the college campus. Use of electrical appliances such as induction, electric iron, electric rods, electric kettle is prohibited. Keeping precious jewelry, any type, valuables and cash are prohibited. Institute will not be responsible for the loss of any such valuables and cash. Local guardianship should be informed with the photograph in the hostel room. Transportation. The college provides transport facility to the hostel students. Any student other than hosteler who wishes to avail the transport facility can opt for it on monthly payment basis. Contact Mrs. Meena Kochar in this regard. Fee deposit timings. Fees is to be paid in cash through demand draft by check. Students can also directly deposit their college tuition fees in a bank account, details of which are as under: bank account, Sai Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. Name of the bank, Punjab National Bank. Branch address, PPCL branch, Rajpur Road, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Account number 108-701-121-000-104-76. IFSC RTGS NEFT code PUNB 0601800. Examination university fees will be charged as per university norms at the time of filling the examination forms. Medical facility. The first aid is available with administration and nursing department. Blood collection center is available at Science Spurs Rehabilitation Center in college premises in association with SRL Diagnostics. Timing 10 am to 5 pm. The institute also runs physiotherapy OPD in campus. A physiotherapist is also available for home visits. Internal examination. Internal examination is compulsory for all the students. Internal assessment is based on internal examination theory paper, attendance, presentations, assignments, performance in the class, discipline and participation in college activities. The students will have to pay a fine of Rs 500 per paper, and at the same time they have to appear for special examination conducted by the respective departments. Suggestion box. Various suggestion boxes have been kept in the campus. Suggestion box. Various suggestion boxes have been kept in the campus. Any student who has a suggestion or complaint may do so in writing and put it in the suggestion box. The keys will be with administrative officer. The name of the student will be kept confidential if mentioned in the application. The suggestion box will be opened once in a week on every Saturday. The student can also mail or WhatsApp a written complaint suggestion at info@cipasdehradun.com or on 9358106361. A note for parents. A note for the parents. The students shall have to submit the consent letter duly signed by their parents if they are going out of college campus for any type of conferences, seminars, workshops. Indemnity bond and declaration form will be signed by all the parents. Attendance. 75% attendance is compulsory for all the students. Anyone who is not up to the mark may not be allowed to sit in the examination as per the university rules. Library rules. Books must be returned within 10 days from the date of issue. Cost of books damaged, defected or lost will have to be paid by the borrower. A fine of Rs 10 per day will be charged after the due date. Insurance policy. Total insurance program is being launched for all the students, wherein all the hospital expenses of the student will be borne by the insurance company up to Rs 2 lakh except OPD. In case of death of the student, a sum of Rs 2 lakh will be paid to the parents of student. In case of death of earning family member, the student will get Rs 2 lakh so that their studies are not hampered. Placements: Piyush Goyal, MSc, MLT, Ministry of Health, Kuwait. Mubarak Hospital as a Scientist Officer, Lab Technologies. Rashna Bora, MSc Micro, Dabur Research Foundation as a Research Scientist. Pankaj Rathe, MSc Microbiology, Research Scientist at PGMIS, Rohtak. Sakshi Kaul, MSc Microbiology, Dabur Research Center, Ghaziabad. Sarbaksh, Mass Communication, HNN News, Pithoragarh reporter. Divyanshu Batla, Mass Communication, News 24, News Delhi reporter. Javed Akhtar, Aaj Tak Senior Sub-Editor. Mohammad Zulkarnain Sulfi, Senior News Editor, Times of India, News Delhi, experience 8 years. Manu Tevtia, ETV Hyderabad, script writer. Aarti Sharma, MHA, Kailash Hospital, OPD PRO. Christina Johnson, BHA, Max Healthcare, Front Office PCC. Aarti Kanwal, HNN News, Dehradun. Meenakshi Shah, Anchor, APN News. All the best, growth, success, career. Please note, in order to help us serve you better, we request parents to keep in regular touch with the department and take regular feedback on performance of their wards. All internal exams and training sessions are compulsory. Any queries, contact Mrs. Sunita Pawar, 921-966-6463. Mrs. Ritika Deemri, 819-393-6666.
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा।
मेरी धरती मुझसे पूछ रही, कब मेरा कर्ज चुकाओगे।
मेरा अंबर मुझसे पूछ रहा, कब अपना धर्म निभाओगे।
मैंने वचन दिया भारत माँ को, वचन दिया भारत माँ को, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं
झुकने दूंगा। वो जितने अंधेरे लाएंगे,
मैं उतने उजाले लाऊंगा।
वो जितनी रात बढ़ाएंगे,
मैं उतने सूरज उगाऊंगा। इस छल फरेब की आंधी में, छल फरेब की आंधी में,
ये दीप नहीं बुझने दूंगा।
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं
झुकने दूंगा। वो जितने अंधेरे लाएंगे,
मैं उतने उजाले लाऊंगा।